Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to another video. And this is day 1, actually day 2. I just arrived last evening here in Bangkok, Thailand. Now we are going out. Just wanted to introduce you guys to my friend Johnny, whom we met in Nepal, and he's here. So last night I didn't introduce him to my video. He's Johnny, how was the boom? Amazing. And this is our hostel where we are staying. So that one is my luggage, my bag. This is Johnny here. And we are going out for some food. So yeah, after that I have to come back and edit my video. This is a day 1. Johnny nowadays he's learning Thai boxing. What is it called?
Muay Thai.
Muay Thai. And the people over there are so brutal that they tie him and beat him back while training. No, I was just kidding, but he's practicing this and got hurt, so that is why he can't walk properly nowadays. Look at his beautiful. So the first day, and yes, early morning the boom was really good. And now I'm gonna edit my videos. So first of all, we'll go out, we'll have something, breakfast, and then I'll finish my work. See you after some time. This guy is making masala dosa, so I'll try masala dosa over here. Like the preparation looks same, so bro, Johnny, you will have masala dosa, right? Okay, masala dosa. I have to ask what is this, but it looks like masala dosa. Bro, what is this? Chicken? Chicken, okay.
10 baht.
Okay. How much?
1 10 baht.
10 baht, one.
One.
Okay. Hey, masala dosa, yeah, this was not masala dosa. This was something I don't know. But I'll see Johnny first. So, trying to order coffee, but I don't know if I can read here. And what did you get?
I got the latte.
Okay, so I'll get Americano. What's the small? Is it small?
Small.
Okay.
Stuff.
Small Americano. Okay, perfecto. So I got one chicken sausage with something and egg with something. So yes, and the same.
I think I'm gonna get more.
Let's try masala dosa in different style. Yes, bro. This is not masala dosa, by the way. This is not masala. It looks like masala dosa. It's not masala dosa.
It's Thai masala dosa.
A big boom change for me because I stayed in Nepal for 22 months and then I'm here in Bangkok, so it's a really big change. Lakha Tholai. 30 baht. Lakha Tholai. Okay, thank you. Kap and gap. So finally I'm back in my hostel. I just have to give my laundry here so that I can get it by tomorrow. And it's so nice. It's super hot and Bangkok, but nice. Hostel is really good. And this is one of the cheapest options that I could get. And this hostel was recommended by John. He came to Bangkok, I think 10 days before me, and he was staying here. The food in Thailand is really very good, and they have so many good options, and it's really very delicious. Like it's super cheap, super good. It's just for 10 baht you get one stick. I just bought 2, and it's 20 baht. The boom guy. Hey guys, good morning, and this is day 2, and we are all set to leave for Chiang Mai. And here's Johnny. Johnny, good morning. How's your day going? It's a long journey today. So we are out. We checked out from our hotel, and right now we are going to Chiang Mai. Hello. Lazy boy. No, not lady boy, bro. So we are in the metro station. We are going to take a metro, and this is blue line, like in Delhi. And they have different colors. If I'll find a map, I'll show you like where are we right now. So this is the map, and right now we are somewhere here, and then we have to travel all the way up to here, and then we go up to Dongmyong something. It's right here. Here. I will put this in video. This guy. So we are about to reach Bangsu, and from here we have to change our metro. Now he's trying to look for me. Because he took this left and I took this. So you can change your language from here to English, and then we can order. Okay. So right now we are at Bangsu station. Like we came up from Bangsu station, and there is another railway station. So we just reached here, and we got to know that from here we can take a train to Chiang Mai. Otherwise we have to go to Dongmyong station, which is another like 10 kilometers away. So we just stayed here. We got a ticket. Johnny's getting ticket here, and it's so amazing that you just have to give your passport, and it was super cheap, like 230 bahts for train ride. It's perfecto. So this is our train ticket. So you can charge your phone like this over here, and you just pay and you get timer. For example, this lady, she's charging her phone like this, so super convenient. And he boomed it right now, and now he's looking for food all over the railway station. So now Johnny wants to take some massage. And how's the process? How do you start with this?
Take your money out of your pockets.
Perfecto.
You make
Step
sure
one.
It's not fake.
Okay.
It's you.
Oh. And started? So by the time Johnny is taking massage, just take a look, go for a walk through the railway station, because we still have, I guess, half an hour left. So finally our boarding has started, and Johnny is here. So this is our first time traveling in high railway journey. Where is our seat? We need to
Number 8.
number 8. Okay. I'm using this earphone, so I don't know my voice will be clear or not. But our train has just left, and here also in train, like India, people come and they sell water and stuff. That's super nice. So we have the perfect view. And Johnny is busy with his chess game, killing some queens. has stopped somewhere and it's raining.
So our train has stopped somewhere in between. I don't know the station name and I can't read it because it's very different language. But it's beautiful and I'm so tired right now and it's raining. And I forgot to tell you guys that this journey is about 14 hours from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. So we have crossed half of our way. Half is remaining and we'll do it. Johnny's here. So Johnny, I think we have 7 hours more. So we did half of our journey. Congratulations, bro. 7 hours more.
Right now it's 2 a.m. and we are about to reach Chiang Mai after, I guess, 2 hours. 2 hours more. I'm super tired. Johnny's sleeping here. He's not sleeping, but for camera he was trying to sleep. Okay, so Johnny's sleeping here. Let's see when we reach to this place, Chiang Mai, and then we have to find our hotel. So right now it's 5:30 in the morning and we reached Chiang Mai. This was our train and we met one more guy. And we didn't decided to book a hotel or a hostel, so just well this guy, and it's 5:30 in the morning. This is morning, right? Super tired, so I'll end this day and see you after I'll take rest. So this is day 3, end of day 2 in Thailand, and this is the railway station in Thailand. So see you guys tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
See you.
See you.
See you today.